Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can send high definition HD videos on WhatsApp application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Open your WhatsApp application, then choose the chat that you want to send the video to. For the sake of the video, I will select any, and then you need to tap on the attachment icon here. Once you tap on that one, then you need to access your gallery. So tap on the gallery, and from here you need to select the video that you want to send. So suppose I will select this video, and here, as you can see, you can edit the video, add a text or stickers or anything, and just beside that there is the HD option. So you need to tap on HD, and from here it will always, the WhatsApp will by default send all the videos in standard quality, which is a low quality. They will resize to send the file, but if you want to send the HD, just select HD. So you can see the quality is now selected to HD. If you want to remove HD, just tap on one more time and then just press send, and your video will be sent in HD quality. So guys, this is how you can send high definition HD quality videos on WhatsApp. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.